The impetus of this project was really the increasing storm intensities, the frequent storms, and the moderate to high wave energy of the site that was really impacting the timber bulkhead and the shoreline. The components of the project consisted of a hybrid approach, which is a living shoreline. A living shoreline in this case consists of a rock sill as a hardened structure and a salt marsh that's landward of the rock sill. The rock sill is actually partially in the water, partially on land, and the function of the rock sill is really meant to attenuate the wave energy and stop the shoreline recession from happening. And then there's also the bioretention basins that take the park-generated stormwater and pre-treats it before it actually discharges into Patchogue Bay. There was no living shoreline of this magnitude and this size permitted in New York's history. So this project was really setting a precedent for all of New York State. Projects like this at Shorefront Park really have a resiliency planned into it that it's needed for communities to combat climate change and coastal storms and erosion.